Hi, hello, welcome to Google Classroom. So in our last class we discussed about the tax, meaning of tax and how to find out tax and rate of tax and all. And today's class also we are going to discuss about one of the important concept, that is GST. What is meant by GST means goods and services tax. So you all heard this word GST familiar. So if you are going to any shop, cloth shop to purchase clothes means, so they will add GST means the tax amount. So before that we are collecting many taxes, means government collecting taxes in different ways. So after implementation of GST is implemented on 1/7/2017. So before that, various states collects different types of taxes like VAT, value added tax, custom tax, and different tax are they collecting. After implementation of GST 1/7/2017, that means one nation, one tax. Throughout India, wherever you go, only one tax on particular goods. So it avoids confusion between rate of taxes between state to state, and it avoids to confusion among between buyer and seller after implementation of GST. These are the important aspects as per the regarding about GST. So here how to find GST is very important. GST is finding based on two types of transaction. First transaction is intrastate. That means goods are supplied from within a state. So goods are supplied from within a state means here dealer is there and here customer is there. So dealer also belongs to same state. Suppose dealer belongs to Karnataka means customer also belongs to Karnataka. Means both are in same state. Transaction, goods are supplied from within a state means this type of transaction is called intrastate transaction. So this intrastate transaction we will find CGST and next we will find SGST. CGST means Central GST. SGST means State GST. What is central GST means? The tax amount collected by central government, that is called CGST. SGST means the tax amount collected by the respective state government. So these two taxes we are calculated in the case of intrastate. That means goods are supplied from within a state. So next type of transaction is interstate. That means goods are supplied from one state to another state. Goods are supplied from one state to another state. Suppose you are dealer and customer. Dealer belongs to Karnataka, customer belongs to AP means. So dealer supplies goods to Andhra Pradesh, means one state to another state. This is called interstate transaction. Here we are finding only IGST. IGST means integrated GST. Here tax amount collected by central government. So no state government appear here. Only central government is collected tax when goods are supplied from one state to another state. So what is the how to find out GST amount in intra-state means? Intra-state means you have to find CGST and SGST. Suppose goods are GST is 18% means divides equally into two parts in GST, 9% and 9%. 9% for central, 9% for state. So here dealer collects the tax amount from the customer, and after collecting tax amount in intrastate, half of the tax amount will pay to central government, half of the tax will pay to state government in intrastate. While you are going to solve the problem, you will understand easily. So one thing you mind, in intrastate, we have to find CGST and SGST, the tax rate amount, rate of tax amount will divide equally to central government and state government. So this is one of the part we have learned in intrastate. In interstate, so if it is GST is 18% means the total GST will collected by central government. After collecting by central government distribute to amount to state government according to their laws. So in this interstate transaction, GST is collected by central government. In intrastate transaction, GST is collected both for central government and state government equally. Okay? While you are going to solve the problems, you will understand better. We'll move to the problem part. Exercise 8F. First problem. Some goods and services cost rupees 16,000 and rate of GST is 12%. Rate of GST is 12%. Find the amount of bill. Find the amount of bill in case of first one they are given intrastate transaction. Second one they are given interstate transaction. So here first we have to find intrastate. As earlier I told you that intrastate means we have to find CGST and SGST. So CGST and SGST means the total cost is 16,000. Here GST rate is 12%. In that 12%, 6% will collected by central government of 16,000 and remaining 6% will collected by state government. 6% means 6 divided by 100 into 16,000, 2020 get cancelled. So that is 16,000, no? Sorry, not 1,600. 2020 get cancelled. Here 160 into 6 means 960 rupees. 960 rupees. 960 rupees will collected by central government. Again, how much you are getting CGST, SGST is also same, because in intrastate equal amount is transferred to both central government and state government. If central government collect 960 rupee tax of 6% of 6,000 means here also state government also 960 only. Now we have to find total amount of bill. What is the cost price? 16,000. What is central GST? 960 and state GST 960. Add all the bill, you will get 17,920. 17,920. 920 is the answer for intra-state. In interstate transaction means there is no need to find CGST and SGST. You have to find IGST. Total is 12% of 16,000. So 12 divided by 100 into 16,000 means 2020 get cancelled means if you multiply 12 into 160 you will get 1920. Multiply these two. And after finding IGST, total amount of bill, that is 16,000 plus what is the GST? 1920, that is 17,920. So both the cases you are getting same answer, but finding method of GST is different. So that is intrastate means you have to find CGST and SGST. After finding CGST and SGST, add to the cost price of the goods. That is in process of intrastate. In interstate finding, so you have to find IGST. After finding IGST, tax amount. The tax amount added to the cost price of the goods and find the total amount of the bill. So here equally in intrastate, the tax amount is equally divided to both central government and state government in intrastate, where goods are supplied within a state. In interstate, the goods are transferred from one state to another state. This total amount collected by the central government, after that they will share to the state government according to the law. Okay. Next problem. John belongs to Delhi. Where John belongs to? Delhi. He buys goods of worth. So cost of goods is equal to 25,000 from a shop in Delhi. Means both buyer and seller both belongs to same state. Means within a Delhi transaction happen. So within a state means that is intrastate. First, before you calculate the GST, first you have to check whether transaction belongs to inter or inter. So here intra. So in this case intra. Intra means what we have to find out? CGST and SGST. Means the rate of tax amount will equally divided to central government and state government. That is CGST and SGST. So 5% means half means 2.5% of 25,000 belongs to central government. That is 2.5 into 25,000. 2020 get cancelled. If you multiply 250 into 2.5, 250 into 2.5, you will get 625 rupees tax. So here SGST also same tax collected because equally divided. The tax is equally divided to central government and state government in intra because transaction buyer and seller belongs to same state. So after that you have to find total amount paid by John is equal to what is the cost of the price of the goods? 25,000. What is central GST? 625 and 625. If you add 625 and 625, you will get 1,250. So if you add 26,250 is the total cost price, the total amount paid by the John after purchasing goods of GST 5%. In that 5%, 625 he pays to central government and 625 he pays to state government, and total amount he paid is 26,250 rupees. Next, we will move to the next problem, third problem. What is third problem that given means? Find the amount of bill. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of goods. Cost of transaction is equal to 30,000 and discount is 30%. Rate of GST is equal to 18%. Sorry, 28% they are given. So in this case, cost of transaction is 30,000, but they are given certain discount on this transaction. So after getting discount, usually selling price of the goods is less than the cost price of the goods. So here first we have to find discount amount. Discount is equal to how much? 30% discount. That is 30 divided by 100 into what is the cost of the price? 30,000. If you cancel 2 zeros, you will get 9,000 rupees discount. If they are given, dealer gives discount of 30% means on the price of 30,000. So 9,000 will be less. Means how much you will pay? That is selling price is equal to 30,000 minus discount is how much? 9,000. So shopkeeper at what rate he sells the goods? At 21,000 after getting discount. So this is now the selling price of the goods of the shopkeeper. Now GST is 28%. We have to pay for this 21,000, not for 30,000. Why we are not paying for 30,000 means, so already getting discount, 9,000 getting discount. You can subtract means 21,000 is the buying price. That is shopkeeper selling price. You have to pay tax for this amount, not for this amount. Here interstate they are given, they are only mentioned interstate. Hence you have to find IGST 28 divided by, what is GST? 28 into 21,000. 20 get cancelled. If you multiply 28 into 210 means you will get 5,880. 5,880. Now total amount of bill is equal to 21,000 plus how much tax? 5,880, that is 26,880. So we are finding GST on this particular amount, not 30,000, because discount they are given. After getting discount, the selling price of shopkeeper is 21,000. We are paying GST on this 21,000. So that is GST is 5,880. If you add these two, you get total amount of bill. Next problem is fourth problem. So a shopkeeper in Indore sells 20 identical articles for ₹250 each. Find the amount of bill. Find the amount of bill. Find the amount of bill if he gives 20% discount. 20% discount and then charges 28% GST. Here they are not giving the cost of the articles. First you have to find the cost of the articles. How to find cost of the articles means, first you find the total cost of articles. How many articles are there here? 20. Each cost is 250. Each cost is 250. So 0 will come. 25 twos are 50. What is the total cost of 250 or 450 articles? Sorry. This is not 250. 450 is the article cost. 450. 450 means you are getting 9,000. So 9,000 is the total cost of the articles. If they are given discount, how much discount they are given on this price? 20%. Discount 20% means, what is the cost of the article? Total cost 9,000. Cancel. So 20 into 90, 1,800 rupees. After finding total cost of the articles, so total cost is discount 1,800 rupees you are getting. What is the selling price of shopkeeper? Is, you can subtract 9,000 minus 1,800, it will get 7,200. After getting discount, customer has to pay 7,200 to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper has to sell on 7,200. On this price, we have to find GST. So here, shopkeeper in indoor. In indoor means, so transactions are within a state. That means you have to find. This is intra-state transaction. GST means CGST and SGST you have to find. So CGST means, what is the total cost percentage of GST? 28 means half means 14 divided by 100 into 7200. You can cancel 2 14 into 72. You will get 1,008 rupees is the CGST, and SGST is also same only. Now you have to find total amount of bill is equal to, what is the selling price of shopkeeper? 7,200. CGST is 1,008. SGST is 1,008. If you add all things, you will get 9,216 is the total bill of the amount. So like this, their students were finding GST based on intra-state transaction. Means intra means you have to find CGST and SGST. In interstate means you have to find IGST, integrated GST. So I hope you all understand today's class. So how to find GST based on intra-state transaction and interstate transactions. Okay. Problems are there in your textbook. Solve the problems. Thank you for watching video.